Assalamu alaikum everyone. How is it going? I hope you are doing very great, and I'm doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I'm gonna share with you a very crucial things, that is the importance of learning English. You know that English is an international language. Learning English is very crucial because it is a global language that's used in the different fields and in the several fields in around the world, and it can help you to improve yourself. It can help you to connect with the people from all over the world. So do you know 55 countries, they are announced already their first language or their official language is English. So a huge amount of people, a large number of people, they are talking in English in around the world. Nowadays, it is a very modern era, and if we are not able to speak in English or communicate with others in English, then we will not success in our life. English will help you to boost your career, and English is the primary language of business, diplomacy, international trade, and so on. So if when you apply for a job, and you must have an enough idea to speak in English, and recruiting agency, they find their capable candidates who are good at speaking English. And when you are good at speaking English, you will get a demandable job which pay the high salaries. And in the education sector, most of the institute or universities, their primary language is English. And if you want to get scholarships or research programs in the abroad, and you must have an enough idea or knowledge how to speak in English, how to make assignment, how to write your CV or curriculum vitae, and you have to manage your professor. So that's the most crucial for everyone. And if you want to be a businessman or entrepreneur or teacher or tourist guide or good speaking, a good native speaker, it is very crucial for you. So it is high time to learn English. Don't waste your time, utilize your time properly, and every day take a specific time and practice regularly. You know that practice makes man perfect. So if you wanted to be a successful person in your life, and if you have a goal and a future plan, then you must have an enough idea or knowledge in English. So make yourself and use your time very carefully and learn English with me. Thank you for watching my videos, and Allah Hafiz.